I'm Krishna Raghavendran, and in this tutorial of MIT App Inventor, we are going to see how to create a phone call app using MIT App Inventor. So what this will do is using MIT App Inventor, you can call anyone using the call app in your mobile. So this is an app which I made using MIT App Inventor, and let me just enter a sample number like 123456789 and I'm just going to click on call. Now as you can see, it goes over here to the call app. So over here you have the call button, the green button at the bottom. If you just click on that, it will call the number. So you can call any number using this. If you are new to my channel is all about creating your own mobile apps free and easily using a tool called MIT App Inventor, which is block-based coding and easy. So if you want to create fantastic mobile apps, start now by clicking the red subscribe button and the bell icon. So first we are going to put the background color for this app. I'm just going to put it to be orange. So over here in the properties of screen 1, let's change the background color to be orange like this. Next I'm going to bring in a label, and this is going to be the title for the app. So I'm going to change the text of this label to be phone call app. Next I'm going to increase the font size of this to be 30, and I'm going to make the font to be bold. As this is the title, we want this to be at the center of screen 1. So in the properties, I'm going to put align horizontal to be center. And as you can see, the title is at the center of the screen right now. Next, we are going to bring in a text box where they are going to enter the phone number. So first, we are going to change the height and width of this text box. Let me put the height to be 6%. I'm going to put the width of this to be 50% like this. Next, let's change the hint of this text box to be enter phone number. Next, I'm going to choose the numbers only checkbox over here. What this will do is this will allow them to enter only numbers. As you know, phone number has only numbers, so we don't want any alphabets or letters, or else it will throw an error. Also, make sure that the font size for this text box is going to be 20. Next, I'm going to bring in a button, and let's name the button. Let's put the text of this button to be call. I'm going to make the font to be bold, and let's increase the font size of this to be 20 like this. Next, we are going to bring in the phone call component using which you can call in MIT App Inventor. So to access the phone call component, we are going to go to the social section, and from here I'm going to bring in the phone call component like this. So over here in the properties you can enter the phone number, but we are going to do this in the block section because we will get the text box 1.text. Now let me go to the block section. So when button 1 is clicked, so button 1 is the call button over here. So when the button 1 is clicked, what we will do is let's go to the phone call component, and we will first set the phone number. So the phone number is a property of the phone call component. So we will set phone call 1.phone number to whatever they enter in text box 1. So let me just go over here, and I'm going to bring in this block text box 1.text like this. Next, what we will do is after we set the phone number, we need to call using the phone call app. So for that, let me go over here to phone call 1 again, and you have two options over here, make phone call and make phone call direct. So the difference between these are make phone call will redirect you to the call app, and it will enter the number. You need to click on the call button so that you can call it. The other one directly calls the phone number entered in the text box. So I'm just going to use this one, make phone call, and it is done. You also have many methods over here like incoming call answer, phone call ended. Over here there are two variables, status and phone number, and also phone call started. So you can access the status and phone number for all of these methods. So over here you can see the phone call app. So first let me enter the phone number just to be 0987 just for an example like this. Next I'm going to click on call. Now as you can see, it redirects you to the the call app in your phone, and you can just click on the green call button at the bottom and it will call the number. Next, do you want to see how to share text, images, etc. to media in MIT App Inventor? Watch this video and also watch my full course of MIT App Inventor over here.